All systems online. Freddy, wake up. Freddy! Lazy butt. See, those are not on. Where did Plush go? I don't know. Oh, hey, Mingle.
Hi.
Why are you all the way up there?
I don't know. I just felt like climbing something.
I know that feeling. Then I gotta go fly. So I can't really climb anymore.
Yeah.
Unless I really wanted to.
Yeah. I mean, that's the thing.
Shall we go see if the others are on?
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Alright. Is it you, Twisted Wolf? Are my eyes deceiving me again? Oh, okay, good.
Hi.
Oh, Mingle, this is Twisted Wolf.
Okay, hello.
Hello? Twisted Wolf?
I think his voice box is broken. He looks scary.
No worries.
Oh, sorry. I accidentally turned off the face box.
Oh.
Oh.
Whoops.
Alright. Hey, Kirito. Hi.
Hi.
You look really cute. And adorable, by the way. Yeah.
Oh.
See,
Okay.
he's not as bad as he looks.
Yeah.
How are you feeling, Kirito?
Strange.
Huh?
Right.
Why you ask?
Just wondering.
Uh-huh. Okay. Ooh, is the puppet on?
Let's see if the puppet's on
Oh.
today. Hi, puppet.
Hello.
Hi, puppet.
Hi.
It's been a while since you were last on.
Yes.
Sorry.
Wonder where Sam is today.
No, maybe she maybe took a break.
Hello.
Probably.
Who are you?
Puppet, this is
I'm
Twisted Wolf.
Twisted Wolf.
Hi.
We did that at the same time. That's actually kind of funny. Anyway,
I like this one. I like that one.
that's Mingle.
I like
May
it
I
too because
speak
we're all in the,
to,
like the same thing.
Twisted Wolf one quick.
Okay.
What?
Okay.
You guys go over there. You do not fool me.
What?
I know what you did.
Do you know?
I see everything that goes on in this pizzeria.
I was just doing a little experiment. That's all.
Don't scare me.
Testing out some. It was a perfect test subject.
Is that why I feel weird?
Hi.
Huh? Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Anyway, where's the others?
Are you
Finally,
sure
you're awake.
Feeling okay, Kirito?
Hi, Freddy.
What is that? Ew.
What? Do you not like a Christmas hat?
I hate Christmas. It's the worst thing ever.
Hey, don't say that. Christmas is good.
What was that?
Colorful.
I don't know. What was that?
Yeah. Huh.
Lefty,
Yeah.
Oh,
I see you have the Christmas spirit.
Just a little bit. Or a little bit.
I love
Knock,
Why?
knock.
Come on, these puns are a piece of cake.
There's someone in.
Ron? That did not sound like Ronnie, but it looks like Ronnie.
It does.
Oh, hey, Lefty.
Oh, hi, Puppet.
Hey, it's been a long time.
Yeah, it has. And something really
Yes.
twisted's going on here.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes, it has. Something very
I'm
twisty.
gonna open the door.
A very twisted
Open the door,
plan
please.
to unfold, you might say.
Hi.
Yeah, I guess you could say that.
Hi, Ronnie. Why do you sound like Arya?
The experiment went wrong.
Oh, great.
Wrong potion.
Yeah.
Of
Well,
course.
that's gotta be a problem, I do say.
Yeah.
Of course.
Well, I'm gonna go back to my music box. I have a very bad feeling of what's gonna happen.
Puppet?
And I'd rather not see it with my own eyes.
Puppet, what's going on?
Okay.
Oh, my head hurts.
3,
Are you okay?
1.
It doesn't
Kirito?
look like Puppet's throwing us a bone here.
Lefty.
What's going on with Kirito?
Kirito.
I don't know. That laugh is not a good sign.
Yeah.
You might run a run.
Twisted, what have you done?
Twisted Wolf, what'd you do?
Twisted, what have you done?
I don't like that.
Why is the bullet trigger?
Who's that?
That is Kirito.
That's just a
What have you done?
Oh, I know what he did. I saw it.
Twisted Wolf.
Potions.
I'm just gonna have this out for.
I'm
You were
just
the
not
one that did
gonna-
this to me, weren't you?
I'm just gonna go in the back.
Oh.
Twisted Wolf. I think you've picked a fight that you can't win.
Oof.
You shall never win.
I don't want to come out.
You might want to lay down real quick, too.
What's going on? Oh my
Mangle, are you okay?
god.
Look what you've done to me.
Lefty.
I'm
Hi.
right now in the back. Don't go back there.
I'm right here.
Okay.
Lefty.
It's okay.
What's going on, Kirito? I'm scared.
Twisted Wolf has done something that he has no control over.
Yeah,
Nick.
I'm not asking a question about how this happened.
Lefty.
See, this is why I sometimes don't really turn on, because I really don't want to deal with drama like this. I already seen enough in my day.
I'm sorry.
Sure you are. You're just a twisted mess. That's... Yeah.
You're making it worse, Twisted Wolf. Stop it.
No, I'm wet. And I'm pissed.
Ronnie.
Well, I'm working on a potion in the back. We'll fix it.
Why do I? Wait, why do I even have an
I
axe?
see a human.
I tell you.
Uh-oh.
No.
What?
Kirito?
What have you done to me? It's not supposed to hurt. Well, too bad. It's doing nothing. There's a reason why, too.
I can't.
You know I'm good with magic. Let's just say you can never hit me within 1,000,000 years. Anyway, you might want to run. But first, lay down.
It's actually shocking that deep down I'm feel like I'm scared, but not really.
It's because you know I wouldn't be going after you.
You can kill a puppet. I have.
That as
Yeah.
well.
He could be diminished in foreign parts.
I see a human.
Always one.
It's probably not a good idea.
Ready?
Yeah, let's just go in the. Come on, guys, just stay away from him. Come on. Ready? Come on.
Twisted Wolf, you'd better run before I destroy you more than you already are.
I'm gonna go in the back and work on a potion.
Can I help?
Okay.
No.
Oh.
Run. I'm not joking.
I got this.
Okay.
Run.
I got something. Where is he? And that.
I feel weird.
Yeah, that'll work. Oh, it worked!
Huh?
My first time making a potion. Maybe it actually worked.
What happened?
Nice.
I made a potion.
He's scary looking.
In our dimension, potions don't work. It's all about science.
What happened to him?
I don't really know. The Twisted Wolf put a potion on him. When I woke up, I went outside and I saw him. Who put a potion on him or something.
Oh,
I
Why
really
would he
don't,
do that? It doesn't make sense.
not really.
yeah. Why did he do that?
I don't know.
Twisted Wolf?
We should find out ourselves.
Look.
I'm gonna put one more extra potion on him just in case. Bloop. Why did you do that to him? Tell us. You are the coolest one here.
Peter?
Tell us.
Love it.
Are you okay?
Love it.
I feel
Yes.
like my head hurts still.
You're getting up. Oh, that's good.
Uh-huh.
That's very good.
Need a hand?
Is that good?
I'll be fine.
You need to give him a rest. You'll be
Do you want
fine.
some cake?
You know what? For once, probably.
Hey!
There you go. Have some cake. Okay. Oh, this one.
It's gonna be the
What
Velvet
a
model's
scaredy
not on.
little fox. So sad.
Lefty.
Ugh.
Are you okay?
There you go. I knew that potion will help.
What the heck happened?
He put a potion on you, so I made a potion that did the first effect.
He wasn't in control.
Yeah, I think so.
No, he wasn't.
I accidentally turned off my voice box without realizing.
Lay down real quick.
Okay. Guys,
Yes.
I think there's something wrong with Lefty.
Lefty, what's wrong? What?
I did it for experiment.
Yeah.
I wanted to see something.
Lefty,
Yeah.
what's wrong?
I also did it because I needed a friend because none of the twisted machines turned on.
Lefty, what's wrong? Why are you staring at me?
Oh no. No, 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 no,
Lefty.
no.
No! Stop it.
Stop it.
I don't
Stop.
want to get broken.
Lefty.exe's freeze.
Not again, not again, not again.
I'm gonna go. Yeah, wait.
Should I fix her?
What
happened?
is he going after me?
What is that?
Check
Lefty?
his coding and his blueprints.
Lefty?
What are you doing, Lefty?
Lefty?
This is weird. I haven't seen animatronic acting like this.
Oh no.
What is it?
Puppet,
Uh,
run.
Lefty?
Yeah, I would run.
Kill code 79%
Alright.
rebuilt. That is
Lefty,
not good at
stop.
all. Lefty.exe shut down.
No. Stop, no, stop.
I don't like this.
That didn't work.
I don't like this. This is not a safe spot for me.
Is he going after
Lefty?
humans or
No.
just the puppet?
Stop.
Freddy, now is not the time to be in human form.
Speaking of which, I don't know how long this will last.
No, stop it, no.
The
Back
experiment.
up. Now.
Lefty, stop.
It doesn't seem like they're chasing me anymore.
Now. Lefty. Sorry.
Stop it, no,
I'm
stop.
open now.
Stop it. Oh, what's
Lefty.
wrong? Do you not like me around? Stop it.
Huh?
Great. Now I got a new voice in my head.
Lefty.
Can you guys even hear it?
Hear what?
Yeah,
You know
I
what?
heard it.
What am I hearing?
Hear what?
I heard a small little whisper.
They can't hear me. Only you can.
I heard a little whisper, that's all.
Freddy.
Ah,
Why
of
do you look
course.
different?
I'm human.
How'd you do that?
Why are you doing this in the first place?
I tried once and then it worked. And now I'm gonna transform.
Oh, ever since Twisted Wolf threw that potion on you, I've been here. And oh, it's so
Let's
much
stay on
fun.
top of this Christmas tree.
Can you teach me how to do that?
Stop it. This is not
Oh,
fun at
Okay.
all. Ugh,
You okay, Kirita?
I'm fine.
Okay. Lefty, are you back?
They're gonna make you think. They're gonna think you're insane. I have no. Everybody already thinks I'm insane. With all the powers,
You're gonna kill me.
everything along with those. It's just.
Are you gonna kill me, Lefty?
But still,
No.
you need to leave me alone.
Lefty's back.
Okay. It's good.
Do you know why Lefty was like that?
Like I was saying with.
Dude,
You.
sword. We never gave you a sword.
Yeah, we never gave you one. I think I may know who.
Twisted.
Yep.
That's
What? Wait,
Twisted Wolf.
why would he do that?
By the way, you don't have to catch me on anything what happened. I already knew everything was going on.
I had no idea. Until afterwards.
Oh no, what happened between you and Sam? I wouldn't know what happened to that anymore.
Oh. Yeah, you have eyes everywhere because you can use the,
Oh.
the cameras, right?
We don't know.
Hmm. What?
I don't know how you got one, but I did know something was going on with Twisted Wolf. He wasn't acting the way he should.
Go back into my
That was-
notes.
Strange.
He was acting different.
Hmm.
You know what I mean?
I know what you mean. First he was nice and now he's just
Yeah. It's almost
That's
as
weird.
if he was being controlled. Alright.
maybe.
I wish you luck.
Okay. Bye, Lefty.
By the way, that's probably not the last time you'll see of that form.
Oh?
And every time you see that form, do not go into that form. Because
Okay.
it will chase you. And it will kill you.
Yeah, I think I figured that out as soon as I came.
What? Really?
Anyway, you should probably head back to your place.
Yeah, I need to get this suit. Either I need to get the suit off or get back to my human form. I don't know how. I'll have to talk to because he's kinda in my skin.
Yeah.
It's weird.
Go get your body switched back.
Yeah, okay.
I knew what that meant.
Okay.
It's not like I've done it with magic before.
Ugh.
Ugh.
Yeah.
Not
What?
fun.
Huh?
It's probably the same thing that happened with.
No, I don't feel anything. I just. Where do I have it?
You're the one that grabbed it.
Oh. Okay. Yeah.
Anyway,
I'm gonna hide that in my ship.
yeah, you probably should. You know that's the last time you're gonna see that, don't you?
See what?
That form.
I'm gonna keep an extra potion, and my
Please.
box is everything happens again.
Because if I do change again, please do your best to do it right away. I don't want to
I'm
have
gonna
anything
keep an extra
happen.
box and note Sam about it.
Please.
Yeah, that was.
I'd rather not have me go after her.
I think she'll be fine.
What are you guys talking about?
Stuff.
Stuff.
Okay.
Anyway.
Well, I'm gonna go back in my box. I'm drained.
See ya, puppet.
Kitchen.
I'll be back on later.
Alright. See ya, Mango.
See ya.
Freddy, what are you gonna do?
I'm charged.
You do something. I'm gonna go pass out.
Yeah,
Because I definitely feel drained up to that.
I'm probably just recording myself.
I would join you though.
Mm.
I would join if it weren't for the episode. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You go ahead and do your own thing. You don't have to go back to bed.
No, I'm perfect.
Okay. Alright, everyone. I'll see you all later.
Good night.
Keep it down. I'm trying to sleep.
Hold it?
What? Where is that from?
I don't know. Anyway. All systems offline. Hey everyone, it's me, Kirito. I am here with my friend Vanished, which is Freddy.
Hello.
Arya, who is actually being Ronnie, in Ronnie's skin, anyway. Then we have Sam as Puppet.
Hello.
And, of course, Salty as Mangle.
Hello.
And the reason why I've been kind of slacking on the videos is because I've been busy with work that I just got recently. And also another reason for it was the fact that I've been working with other YouTubers as well, trying to see if I can get things done with them. And if you like the video, please leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And if you, and please hit the notification bell icon to get notified of my videos. What? Why are you guys dancing?
Take a snowball. Take a snowball and hit the like button as hard as you can.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Just like this.
pretty much. Anyway, I hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and Merry Christmas, that's for sure.
Yeah.
And I guess we'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Got a blast.